Mr. Ellis CATO II.
Woo! Walk it out, baby, walk it
Now,
out.
Mr. Ellis has 13 years with Muni, and he's been at cable cars for 10 years. He was also a sports coach for a while, school district. And he says, why did he choose to become a cable car grip? And this looks like it says money. He has Ellis III, and he says that he is a grandfather. Oh, he's a great-grandfather. That means he does good things, yes. And also one good claim to fame, of course, that he shares with yours truly is that he went to the best high school in San Francisco.
What is that?
That's all right. He's a Jaguar. Go to it, Ellen.